Welcome, welcome to my first ever lesson of my beautiful Polish language. Our first contestant will be Chuj w bombki strzelił. And I have this beautiful whiteboard where I will be trying to explain everything step by step. So the first step is pronunciation, which is chuj w bombki strzelił. Repeat after me. Chuj w bombki strzelił. Easy. Easy. Next, literal meaning. Okay, so what does chuj w bombki strzelił, you may ask? One of the most popular sentences that you can say in this beautiful language. This, let's break this down. So chuj means a dick or a cock, but it's more of a vulgar way of saying it. So don't really say it to your boss or to some beautiful lady or something. Nah. Another one, bombki. It means Christmas bubbles. The shiny glass balls you hang on a Christmas tree. And then strzelił means shot or blasted. It is a past tense to a third person, kurwa, so it will be chuj. So yeah, chuj bombki strzelił. Wy means in. So a literal meaning of this would be a dick shot into Christmas bubbles. So you just have to imagine a penis cannonball smashing delicate Christmas ornaments like a fucking I'm sorry. Anyway, let's go to figurative meaning. So it's a Polish idiom which means that everything is fucked up or it's just all gone to shit now. Yeah. So you just say it when something is ruined beyond repair. It's like kurwa done. Oh kurwa, I can see. Ay. What is this kurva connecting sign in the middle? Let me just fucking hide it. There we go. I'm not a boomer, kurva. You see with your own eyes, motherfucker. And so yeah, you say chuj w bombki strzelił whenever something just cannot be repaired. So let me just show you a few examples that I've prepared for you. The first one is spóźniłem się na samolot. No i chuj w bombki strzelił, kurwa. Okay. And another one is wydałem moje ostatnie pieniądze na krypto, a jego wartość spadła o 80% w ciągu nocy. Chuj w bombki strzelił. This also can be possible to say. And the last example will be mój kebab spadł mi na ziemię, ponieważ byłem najebany jak świnia. No i chuj w bombki strzelił, kurwa, wszystko się poszło pierdolić. So I hope now you understand the meaning of chuj w bombki strzelił and you are one step further to progress in this beautiful language. Thank you very much for your attention. Good kurwa bye.